Step now had the privilege of enrolling on the Client Magnet System program with Laith, and it was amazing to say the least. Now, before we joined on this program, we had so many ideas, so many different points of view, so many opinions, but the main thing that we lacked was a strategy on how to implement these things. And Laith's work from session 1 right through to the end was amazing. Honestly, the way he simplified all our ideas and pretty much took us through a funnel effect and showed how 1 week linked onto this week and how this week would link onto next week. We knew what we were doing at each stage, if that makes sense. And at the end of it, we got a fantastic product that we are confident about, confident talking about, and most importantly, confident selling to our clients. I would definitely recommend this to anyone. Doesn't matter what sort of business you have, doesn't matter if you're a global company or if you're an individual business yourself. If you're looking for a way to re-strategize or even strategize for the first time, upscale, whatever it may be, seek improvements for your business, definitely enroll in this program. Speak to Laith.